Good evening, Shankar. Today I would like to explain the continuation of Python programming. We have done so far three continuous lectures of this Python programming, and so far we have done basic part of Python programming. Then we have completed basic programs of Python programming in interactive shell and as well as scripting way. And there are various standard libraries we are using in Python programming. We have completed various basic Python operators. It has two membership operators we have completed, and Python has two identity operators we have completed. And next concept is classes and objects. Class is a collection of objects, and object is a physical entity or real-time entity. So Python is an object-oriented programming language. It supports all the classes, objects, data abstraction, data encapsulation, inheritance, polymorphism. A class defines attributes and behaviors. Attributes are also called as a columns. Columns are playing a vital role in any data sets, and their behavior means how that a data set is performing based on their attributes. So now I am declaring class. My class name is a dog colon, and I am declaring the function called bark. Def is a definition of a bark. I am declaring my function name is a bark. Self is a it is called a constructor actually in C++ and Java. So same way we are using in Python. Self is a constructor and followed by the print oof. So that is a small class declaration. In Python collections, we have 5 types of collections like array, sets, tuples, lists, dictionaries. So arrays are Python collections. Arrays are fixed size collection. In Python we generally use lists instead. Then sets are unordered collection with no duplicate elements. And tuples are immutable ordered collection. Lists are mutable ordered collection. Dictionaries are the collection of key value pairs. If you see a small Python program to print arrays. Now my aim of the program is I'm reading the array first. My array name is a people equal to I'm declaring the 3 names like Dr. Asadi and Jaws and Jenkins. So these are the array elements. Now I am printing the people. That means immediately it will print all the 3 elements of the array, and I would like to find out the location of the first element. For that I am using print of people of 0. That means Dr. Asadi. It will print of people 1. So next index position is Jaws. Then print people of 2 Jenkins. So let me execute this program. Okay, so let me see. I am executing first Python programming. So here what I am doing, I am reading the first array. So just go to the command prompt and so type Python. So we are going to see the this is interactive shell. This is called scripting way. Actually now I am moving to interactive shell. So my Python is working. So import os.system of CLS. This is for clearing the screen. Okay, so now I am declaring the array. My array size is 3 elements. Now I am printing that people. See here. So it is printed Dr. Asadi and Jaws and Jenkins. Now what I have to find out, array is a index positions. Everybody knows. People people of 0, zeroth index, zeroth index. So what is the Dr. Asadi is presented. People of 1. So next position, what is the element? Jaws. Next, people of 2. Okay. So next position it will come. If you type one more position, if people of 3, what it says? It says array index out of range. Okay. List index out of range. That means how many elements are there? That array index starts from 0 to n minus 1. Okay. So same program, if we want to print in a scripting way also, we can do right now. So quit. If you want to move from interactive shell to scripting way like this, you need to do it. So notepad space. Okay. So this is called Python collections. Simple. I am giving the name. Today date is 7-1.py. Okay. So like this you can give the file name. So 7-1. Okay. So here I am writing write a Python program. See here, write a Python program to perform arrays. Python arrays. You can call it as Python arrays. Okay. So now what I am doing, I am declaring people. Then see what I am going to do, print people. Like this you can add. Okay. So here same thing, print people. So my array position. Then print first position 0. Okay, like this. People of 0. You can call it as people of 0. Like this. Are you understanding how to declare a array size? Then print people of 1. Okay. So shift colon. Next print people of 2. This is the second position. Now save the program. Now go to command prompt and execute Python space 7-1.py. Now see Shankar. Now it is printed Dr. Asadi. Okay. So based on our program. Can you see our program? See now. Now see parallelly I am showing this program. Sorry. So I am closing this one. See here. So this is my aim of the program. So people, I am declaring my array name is a people. So then print people, it is printed. So Dr. Asadi. So it printed. See here my screen is visible. So Dr. Asadi, Josh, Jenkins. So then first index position Asadi, second index position Josh, and third index position is Jenkins. This is the way we are executing Python arrays concept. Very simple. This is called Python arrays concept. I'll stop here.